You said you want to stay here in Xavier. You want to go back? Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm just playing.
It's kami. Agad na. Tingalig, mabakus ko na yun. Mabakus na yun.
I thought you don't like kinagusan.
You like kinagusan.
So stop going Xavier naman, cause it's okay in Agusan.
Sige na ba? Sige na.
Kuya, relax ha, kuya ka. Ito sa taas.
Why do you like kinagusan? Because it is Christmas? Bukan, makuha naman na siya. Mahilong naman na siya. Just be careful.
Mabunalan, gana siyang kuya.